So today we start keeping data on these two biodigesters. This is T.E. Lawrence here. This is an uninsulated IBC tank biodigester that comes from Solar Cities, and it sleeps during the winter, functions quite well during the year. This is almost 8 years old, so it's a very well established microbiome, and it's quite powerful and ready and raring to go. So it's had its first meal. We have split about 6 gallons of just regular food waste and water mixed together. So each one gets about the same amount of food. And this here I'm calling Ice Cube because it looks kind of like an ice cube. Anybody else can suggest some interesting names for it. But it is surrounded by a greenhouse. It does have special insulation from advanced cooling technologies, and it has a whole lot of data collecting devices on it that we are so grateful for. We're very grateful to be partnering with them on this USDA grant-funded research project for insulating biodigesters so that we can control the temperature during the winter and hopefully have these all year long. So the gas is going from Ice Cube over to this gasometer right here, and then from this gasometer our tubes are running over to this bag right here. So as we're collecting the gas, of course, we're keeping our valve closed so we can measure it, and then I just opened it and transferred it all over to the bag. So you can see on this one, this is T.E. Lawrence's gasometer. So we brought both down to the 30 mark so that we can have equal status here, and every time I come out here each day to measure how much gas has been produced, I will bring it again back down to that 30 mark and then count. So that's where we are now, and looking forward to seeing how these compare. So Ice Cube here is a brand new biodigester just set up 2 weeks ago. We were very impressed with the results. We were very surprised that we actually got a first flame after 2 weeks in the dead of winter after a series of very, very cold weather, so some storms. So this is really actually looking very promising. And T.E. Lawrence, as I said, in comparison, he's older, wiser, well-established microbiome. That's a pretty powerful biodigester that typically comes back to life no later than early March, but he's a little early this year. So I guess he's enjoying the competition with the new kid on the block. So more later. Thanks.